Hi, this is Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Volkswagen Transporter, stock number 6315. This ran from the 3rd 2010 to the current shape. It has a CAAB 2-litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a CAB 2-litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Front bonnet no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate has broken tailgate glass, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch thick steel wheel, good tyre. Right front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreens, stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.